If you're on the keto journey or thinking about starting, it's time to talk about something that can massively improve your consistency, your results, and even your mental clarity. No, it's not another supplement or a fancy app. It's tracking your mood. And today, I'm going to share exactly how and why this simple tool can unlock a whole new level of success for you on keto. So let's dive in with 3 powerful reasons you should be journaling your thoughts and mood daily. Point number 1, reveal hidden patterns. When you track your mood consistently, you start to spot connections between what you're eating and how you're feeling. Maybe you feel foggy after skipping electrolytes, or anxious when you go too long without a meal, or you notice that eating high-fat meals gives you a calm, steady energy. These insights don't come from guesswork. They come from patterns you see over time. By writing down, for example, your meals, your physical energy, and your emotional state, you create a clear picture of what's really working for you and what's sabotaging you. This isn't just journaling, it's data for your mindset. Point number 2, stay motivated beyond the scale. Let's be honest, weight loss isn't always linear, but progress isn't just about the scale. By tracking your mood, you begin to notice non-scale victories. For example, I felt focused all day today. I had 0 cravings during that work meeting. I felt confident in my skin. These emotional wins are fuel for your journey. They remind you why you started and help you push through those off days without throwing in the towel. When motivation dips, your journal becomes your proof that you're growing even when the scale says otherwise. Point number 3, break emotional eating cycles. Many of us turn to food when we're stressed, lonely, bored, or tired. Mood journaling helps you catch these patterns before they become habits. When you write down what triggered your mood, especially around food, you start to develop awareness. And awareness gives you control. Instead of reaching for carbs when you're upset, your journal might show that what you really need is rest, a walk, or a deep breath. This is where real transformation happens. From reactive to intentional. So, if you're not already doing it, start tracking your mood today. It takes just 5 minutes, and it could be the missing link between stopping and succeeding. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tracked your mood while on keto? What did you discover? And hey, if this helped, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more tips to stay consistent and confident on your keto journey. Until next time, keep showing up. You've got this. See you in the next video.